I was thinking when it comes to doing cables for pickups, of course, we'll drill through the pocket to get through here, probably, I don't know, in the neighborhood of an inch off of the center line, maybe a little less, something like that. But from here to here, normally I'm putting the top on and I'll route that and then, you know, put the top on and no muss, no fuss, you're done. Looking at this, 7.5 inches from the point here, no matter where this actually winds up, if it shifts a whole 3/4 of an inch either direction, that should still work. It may be too early to mess with this, but I can't help but think, because it would take just such a little bit to have to drill both, actually. But still, it's just a little bit, and it wouldn't be hard to line those up, I don't think. So I can't help but think we should try to drill these two, you know, before we join this. Drill here, drill there, just a little, and we'll be in good shape. So when it comes time to drill this, or actually when we cut the cavity, we'll just run into that hole, is what I'm thinking. So what we're going to try to do, we need to drill into here. I don't know, that much ought to do. Alright, normally pickup cavities tend to be about 3/4 of an inch deep. Your cables, of course, are at the bottom of that, so ideally it would be best if the hole was pretty close to the bottom of that cavity. So we've marked just a little less than 3/4 of an inch, and I'm hoping a 1/4 inch is big enough for the two. Ideally, if we could double the size of that hole. I don't see that being a realistic possibility. Second verse, same as the first. Except we got shorter distance to go. Alright, that looks long, but it's not. I think we have safely created a cable channel, at least the diagonal part, that's not going to be accessible from the neck pocket. Always, always, always dry run. pretty well set in stone now. Yep. Well, I guess while we wait for that to dry, we can cut a profile. I mean, the neck needs to get chopped. It's been a blank for a while. I double checked the length here. I don't exactly know what we're doing for a nut yet, but it can't take up a whole lot of space, and I figure we should have enough room to deal with it one way or another. Famous last words. Remember I said that. I've also taken a look to see that I like where I've drawn the heel, and it looks to be probably a half to a full inch away from where we actually need it to be eventually, so that's good. I think we're just ready to chop the damn profile. What I'm thinking is we'll cut the profile, and this piece will be used for our ears, one way or another. I think we can take enough material out of that to do our ears in hopefully an interesting way. So I'm thinking we will cut profile, and then cut the taper, and then we'll have, we can work on the material for the ears and start turning this into an actual neck. Just a little quick cleanup. This virtually never happens. Both sides, at least of the entire heel area, are completely square. I mean, machine quality square. As if this thing's machine quality. But it's square. And we're right up to the line everywhere, completely in dimension. Usually what I shoot for is right around the nut, 1 inch and 5/8, and we are right on the line. And 18 inches down the road from there, 2 1/4, and we are right on the line. I'm rather shocked and amazed, to be honest. But I mean, I couldn't have hoped for a better outcome. That's usually I have trouble somewhere. Something's always going to give me some grief, and yeah, I guess we'll pick up our grief somewhere else. Thanks for joining me. If you like what we're doing, if you're digging it, like and subscribe. Catch you next time.